Meanwhile, the number of murders in Jamaica this year has exceeded those recorded in 2018. Crime statistics show that more than 1,300 people were murdered up to December 21. TVJ's Prince Moore has details.
There are 8 days left in the year, and already murders have exceeded the amount recorded last year. Up to the end of December 21, 1,302 persons were reportedly murdered in Jamaica. That's 15 more murders than the 1,287 recorded in all of 2018. With 10 more days of statistics to compile, the picture is looking grim. In the last 7 days for which statistics have been made public, that's the period December 14 to 21, there were 29 murders, an average of more than 4 per day. The police division recording the highest number of murders in that week was the St. Andrew Central Division, which is administered from Halfway Tree. Next was the Kingston East Police Division, which recorded 4 murders in the week. 7 of the 19 police divisions in Jamaica recorded no murders, while 5 recorded only 1 murder during the week. Of note is that the 7 divisions now under a state of emergency combined recorded 9 of the 29 murders. The 7 police divisions under a state of emergency are St. Andrew South, St. Catherine South, St. Catherine North, Clarendon, St. James, Hanover, and Westmoreland. The St. Andrew South Division, with 165 murders, has recorded the most homicides since the start of the year. St. James is next with 146. Prince Moore, TVJ News.